Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set app preferences on the Zoho Invoice application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the More button down below, which is the last option, and then scroll down till you find the settings section in the others section. So tap on it and scroll down till you find the app preferences button and click on it. Then you can add these preferences of yours, such as in the attachment section, like saving captured images to photos. So all you have to do is tapping on the button to turn it on. You can also select the image upload resolution from 30% to 70%, and you can also set it to the original one. As you scroll down, you can also select the map preferences such as Apple or Google Maps, so tap on the relevant one. And you can also select the appearance of the application, such as system default, light or dark. Then you can also add or select the theme of the application. And if you are done with it, just simply tap on this arrow in the upper left corner of the screen to save your changes, and it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.